So this is my garden now that I've got like half of the plants in the ground in this space. See? I decided to take it from this curved line here where the creepy girl face is. So all the way down. First off, this is the runner I picked for this area. Then those white flowers are sun patience. That's salvia right there. And the wispy stuff right there is called snow on the mountain. Then I got foxtail ferns that don't multiply like crazy. And then I got red sun patience, purple ones. So this is what it looks like so far. Mind you, these snow on mountains, she said she's seen them get up to 6 feet high before, but they mostly stay around the 4-foot-ish area. So we'll see how it all fills in. There's a coleus right there right now, but it's gonna be a Boston fern. I went and bought some more plants yesterday to fill the rest of the space, and a stone. So this is the rest of this space I kind of have to fill in. So I'll show you from the other angle. I think it looks good so far. Like I said, I got that stone. Where this torch is at right now is going to be an Australian fern tree. So I have that end stuck here for right now to represent where the tree is going to go in the future. But I think it looks pretty good so far. I'll shoot a video when I have the rest of the plants kind of put in its place a little bit.